Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of resetting your password on LinkedIn. If you've forgotten your password or just want to change it for security reasons, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the LinkedIn website or app. Begin by launching your web browser and navigating to the LinkedIn website, or open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Step 2. Click on Sign In. On the home page, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Under the password entry field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to start the password recovery process. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. You'll be prompted to enter the email address or phone number linked to your LinkedIn account. After entering your information, click on the Send Code button. Step 5. Check your email or SMS. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your email or phone. Open your email inbox or SMS app and look for the message from LinkedIn. Step 6. Enter the verification code. Return to the LinkedIn page and input the code you received in the designated field. Click Submit to verify your identity. Step 7. Create a new password. Once your code is verified, you will be prompted to enter a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets LinkedIn's security requirements. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Step 8. Save your changes. After entering and confirming your new password, click Save to finalize the changes. Step 9. Log in with your new password. Now that your password has been successfully reset, return to the LinkedIn sign-in page. Enter your email and the new password to gain access to your account. That's it! You've successfully reset your LinkedIn password. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides.